Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're visiting one of the most iconic landmarks in the United States, the Golden Gate Bridge. Located in San Francisco, California, this massive suspension bridge is known worldwide for its beauty, size, and especially its bright red color. But why is the Golden Gate Bridge red? Was it always meant to be that way? Let's uncover the story behind this engineering marvel. Construction of the Golden Gate Bridge began in 1933 and was completed in 1937. At that time, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world, stretching 1.7 miles across the Golden Gate Strait, which connects San Francisco Bay to the Pacific Ocean. It was built to solve a transportation problem. Before the bridge, people had to take ferries to cross the bay, which was slow and unreliable. Now, let's talk about the color. The bridge's famous red-orange color is officially called International Orange. Originally, the steel used for the bridge came with a red primer to protect it from rust. The engineers liked how the color blended with the natural surroundings, the blue water, the fog, and the hills, and it also made the bridge more visible in bad weather, which is common in San Francisco. Many people don't know that the U.S. Navy wanted the bridge to be painted with black and yellow stripes for visibility. Luckily, the designers convinced them that International Orange was both practical and beautiful. Today, the color not only protects the bridge, but also makes it one of the most recognizable structures in the world. The Golden Gate Bridge is more than just a way to cross the bay. It's a symbol of human creativity and determination. Millions of people visit it each year, walking, biking, or driving across its span and enjoying the stunning views of San Francisco and the Pacific Ocean. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why the Golden Gate Bridge is red and why it remains a symbol of beauty, innovation, and American culture. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.